All right, developing a strong employee training system with bonuses. We have a bonus sheet. It's public in Google Spreadsheets. It's on TVs in the office. And the key phrase here to tell everybody when you're doing any data with your business is what gets tracked improves. So if you are lacking somewhere, man, our profit's really down. Shoot, man, let's start tracking it month over month and see what it looks like. But you gotta do it. You can't say that you're gonna do it. When you're looking at financial reports, that's in the past. You need to be looking at something that's going forward. And our bonus program with the employees helps do that. And all the employee training videos we have is ensuring that the cleaning that we're delivering, the product in the end is consistent. So no matter which team comes to clean your house, you're gonna love it either way.
Yeah, and this system that Brandon's talking about is actually in our cleaning systems course. It's from the spreadsheet master himself. And there's lots of these spreadsheets that we're gonna give you guys that show the numbers and different ways you can price your market and all the different things but a lot of it's numbers. I mean, you gotta know your numbers if you've ever seen Shark Tank. But this is huge, guys, because like Brandon said, if you're measuring it, you can improve it. And the bonuses are basically bringing attention to your teams on the things you wanna do better and do more of. Like, show up on time, do the clean in a certain amount of time, have your uniform look a certain way. If you want to improve those things, bring attention to them and bonus those things, and then your teams will do it even better. So we give you that in our course, guys, but you should be doing some level of that.
True.